Hi guys. I want to show you how to send clips or short sections of a YouTube video to your friends or whoever else, or post them online. These clips can be 5 seconds to 60 seconds. And to do this, I'm going to demo it on the phone. All you would need to do is pick your video, play the video, watch the million ads that'll probably show before your video. Once you get through the ads, scroll over in these pills and you'll see one that says clip with the scissors. Open this up. You can see that the minimum it can be is 5 seconds. The maximum it can be is 60 seconds. Okay. Now this blue box is showing the section that will be clipped. You can also see in the top, in the very top, on the timeline, that is also the section that's going to be clipped. And if I add a title, they are required. You'll see that this is public, so it is going to be attached to my YouTube profile. Now, the views that you get on this clip will not be credited to you. They will go to the original creator. I think it says that here. Yep. And we can choose which part of the video that we want to send by either moving the playhead on the timeline and then selecting clip, maybe. Okay, it doesn't want to work right now. Let's try this. Okay, it is not working great right now. In theory, we should be able to move the playhead to the section that we want to clip, click the clip section or the clip button, expand it to the length that we want to clip, and then hit the share clip button. Now we can share across all of these different platforms, or we can copy a link. If we copy the link and paste it here, it'll open just that section that we clipped. Okay, you'll see that this is it has my name here and it has a test here, and that is because if we go back to our YouTube channel and we go to our profile, then we scroll down, you'll have a folder called your clips, where all your clips will live. So you can house them here, and then you can also share them from this page. WhatsApp messages, Facebook, yada yada. That's all. So that is how you share up to a 60-second clip from a YouTube video. I hope it helps. If